Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect cheesy garlic bread. In this, the French loaf is first cut into pieces and then they are smeared with garlic oil and then topped up with two combination of cheeses and then baked. First, preheat the oven and line a baking sheet with aluminium foil and set aside. Now in a small saucepan, mix the butter and the olive oil. Now it's the time to add garlic to it and again saute it for a minute or so. Once you see the garlic has changed its color, now you close the flame and after closing the flame, add the cilantro and mix well. Now our garlic oil or our smear is ready. Set it aside. Now in a different bowl or plate, mix both the cheeses, the shredded cheese and mozzarella cheese. Here you can use any kind of cheese of your choice. Add some salt, pepper, oregano and red chilli flakes and mix nicely with the help of your hands and set aside. Now smear the garlic mix on the top of the bread one by one in all the bread and then finally top them with cheese mixture and repeat the process for the entire batch and place the slices on the baking tray. Now put them into the oven for around 10 to 12 minutes or until they are nice golden brown and bubbly. Now once you see they are done, now serve them hot. So I hope you like my perfect cheesy garlic bread recipe. Do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. And if you have any suggestions, do let me know.